Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside some of the most spectacular and luxurious properties across the United States. Today, we are heading to one of Orange County, California's most prestigious communities for an extraordinary estate listed at an impressive $8,995,000. Set behind the private gates of Bear Brand Ranch, this remarkable property offers an incredible combination of privacy, timeless architecture, expansive grounds, and the relaxed elegance of Southern California living. So, let's begin this incredible luxury home tour. From the moment we approach the property, it is clear that this is much more than an ordinary luxury residence. The estate sits on more than 1.3 acres of beautifully landscaped grounds, creating a sense of space and privacy that is becoming increasingly rare in coastal Orange County. Mature olive trees, expansive lawns, elegant landscaping, and impressive architectural details give the property an established and sophisticated character. The architecture was designed by renowned architect Ed Lorbach, and the residence beautifully combines the elegance associated with classic Pasadena estates with the comfortable atmosphere of Southern California coastal living. The result is a home that feels grand without losing its welcoming character. As we arrive at the entrance, the impressive gate and long driveway create a dramatic first impression. The landscaping guides us toward the main residence, where traditional architectural details blend with the scale and sophistication expected from a property approaching $9 million. Stepping through the front entrance, we are immediately welcomed by a dramatic double-height foyer. The tall ceilings create an incredible sense of volume, while carefully selected architectural details establish the elegant atmosphere that continues throughout the home. From the foyer, the residence opens into grand entertaining spaces designed for both formal occasions and relaxed gatherings. Large windows bring natural light into the interiors while providing beautiful views of the surrounding grounds. The living spaces offer an ideal balance between classic luxury and comfortable Southern California living. Generous seating areas provide plenty of room for entertaining family and guests, while the sophisticated finishes give every room a refined appearance. Moving into the kitchen, we discover a space designed for both everyday living and entertaining. The generous layout provides plenty of preparation space, premium finishes, and a natural connection to the surrounding living areas. Large windows and carefully positioned lighting help create a bright and inviting environment. Just beyond the kitchen, the dining area provides an elegant setting for everything from intimate family dinners to larger celebrations. The connection between the kitchen, dining area, and living spaces makes the home particularly well suited for entertaining. The estate features 6 bedrooms, providing plenty of accommodation for family and guests. Among the most impressive spaces is the luxurious primary suite. Designed as a private retreat, the primary bedroom offers generous proportions, beautiful views, and an atmosphere of comfort and tranquility. The primary bathroom continues that feeling with an elegant, spa-like design. Generous vanity space, refined finishes, and a relaxing atmosphere transform the room into a private escape within the home. Another exceptional feature is the detached guest quarters. Having a separate guest area provides additional privacy and flexibility, allowing visitors to enjoy their own space while remaining close to the main residence. For those who enjoy staying active, the property also offers space for a private home gym. Imagine starting the morning with a workout while looking out toward the beautifully landscaped grounds. It is another example of how this estate has been designed around an elevated lifestyle. The entertainment possibilities continue with dedicated lounge and television spaces. These rooms provide a more relaxed environment where family and friends can gather for movie nights, sporting events, or simply unwind after a long day. But perhaps the most impressive part of this property is what we find outside. The backyard feels like a private Southern California resort. A sparkling swimming pool creates a natural centerpiece, surrounded by generous outdoor living areas and expansive lawns. Mature olive trees add character and privacy, while the open landscape provides a peaceful backdrop. Imagine spending a warm California afternoon beside the pool, relaxing on an outdoor swing, enjoying a meal with friends, or simply taking in the surrounding views. The outdoor spaces are designed to make the most of the property's impressive acreage. The estate's location is equally remarkable. Bear Brand Ranch provides a private and exclusive setting while still placing residents close to some of Orange County's most desirable destinations. Salt Creek Beach, Dana Point Harbor, Laguna Beach, and the iconic Ritz-Carlton Laguna Niguel are all just minutes away. That combination of privacy and convenience is one of the defining characteristics of this property. You can enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of a gated estate while remaining close to beaches, dining, shopping, entertainment, and the coastal lifestyle that makes this part of California so desirable. At an asking price of $8,995,000, this Bear Brand Ranch estate represents an exceptional level of Southern California luxury. With more than 1.3 acres, 6 bedrooms, detached guest quarters, resort-style outdoor spaces, timeless architecture, and an enviable coastal location, it offers a lifestyle that is difficult to replicate. And that brings us to the end of today's tour on American Dream Mansions. What do you think of this incredible $8,995,000 Bear Brand Ranch estate? Which feature would you choose first? The grand interiors, the private guest quarters, the swimming pool, the expansive grounds, or the incredible location near Orange County's famous beaches? Let us know your favorite feature in the comments. If you enjoyed exploring this spectacular California estate, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions and turn on notifications so you never miss our newest luxury home tours. We bring you new episodes every week featuring extraordinary mansions, exclusive estates, dream homes, and some of the most impressive real estate across America. Thanks for watching American Dream Mansions. We'll see you in the next luxury home tour.